Today's video is a little different. We are going to be transforming this 1970s shed that is clearly rotted and just a mess. It's in my parents' backyard, and my dad was going to fix it up, and I was like, wait, before you fix it up, maybe we should turn this into a playhouse for the girls. So he's taking control of the outside, and I'm going to completely redo the inside. I feel like this is officially going to make me the cool aunt now, because I'm going to make this really fun space for them, and hopefully they love it. So if you guys don't know, me, my sister, and my parents, we all live within a block of each other. So we're very close and just kind of always together. So I feel like this is just a really fun thing for the girls to have, to walk over to Grandma and Grandpa's house and have this really cool space to hang out in, and hopefully it can grow with them. So my dad actually just installed this huge window, and it is so stunning. I feel like this space has so much potential. So let's get into the video so I can share with you guys my thoughts. Quickly, I'm going to walk you guys through the plan. I'm going to try to make this so quick. My dad is taking control of the outside, so he's going to extend the roof line, make a little porch. The outside is going to be painted this blue color just to match the rest of their house. He's also putting in new windows here. And then when we go inside, I'm like hitting my head, the inside is all me. So I have two options. The first option is kind of like a cottagey grand millennial theme. So everything would pretty much be like very light colors with like touches of a pretty like light green, a light pink. And I want it just to feel like really inspiring for the girls. Oh my goodness, these birds are beautiful sounding outside. But I just want it to be really like inspiring and just light and airy and kind of like cottagey feeling. So like shabby chic almost. The other option is my dad had installed this window, and the first thing I thought was Snow White. I mean, it's just so cute, this window. And then I started looking around. I'm like, the whole inside kind of reminds me of like Snow White's house. The only thing is that the girls, I don't know if they've ever seen Snow White. They are only 2 and 4, so they've watched things more like Frozen, Moana, stuff like that. And I don't know if they would be scared of the evil queen in the movie. So like, even if I told them to watch the movie, I don't know if they would be scared of it. So I'm not really sure what to do. So if I do like the cottagey theme, it's going to be painted, the walls. If I don't, I think I would just leave the walls like this, which does make it a little bit harder for decor. And I do have some really beautiful pieces that I bought already. So let me know what you guys think. Comment your ideas down below. I would love to turn this into Snow White's house. I think it would be so fun. I just don't know if it's like the best option for the girls. So let me know what you guys think. Here's what I have so far. This is like a mixture of stuff I've gotten from a junkyard, Craigslist, some things my parents had. So let me show you guys. First thing is this table, which I am in love with. I love how it looks. I think the legs on it are so fun and so cute. These matching chandeliers are just adorable, and I think that they are really cute. We have this like little bench. This opens up like this, and it becomes a little walk-up stool, which is really cute. We have this ladder. Then I had gotten these 2 like bar chair stools. I thought that they were just like shorter chairs, but they're actually pretty tall. So I think what I'm gonna do is combine them like this, and then take off the cushions, make a new seat for it, and then obviously put a new cushion on, new fabric, cut the legs down a little bit, and maybe add some arms to the side and make it more of like a sofa for the girls, and we could put it on their like little front porch. I think it'd be really sweet. The next, and this is the last thing that we have, are these little soda fountain chairs, which are so sweet and so cute. I was thinking of like putting some like light pink gingham fabric on here, like a little cushion, maybe painting these white. I think it would just look so sweet with that table if we did like the shabby chic grand millennial type of thing. If you guys don't know what grand millennial is, by the way, it's grandma style meets millennial, and it's really cute. So yeah, that's kind of what we have so far, and that's why I'm leaning towards more of like the cottagey theme, because we have so much stuff already that matches it, but the Snow White thing I just think would be really cute too. So now what we need to do is take out all of this junk, and then I'm going to vacuum. Then we can start sanding these floors down, and then we can stain them. Today we are listening to some Dolly Parton. If you guys love Dolly as much as I do, then let me know in the comments. I feel like I'm the only person that I know that actually listens to Dolly Parton, but I just think that she is amazing, puts me in a really good mood. So here is the space completely empty. I feel like it is just so beautiful, and it actually is so much bigger than I realized. I think just before it just felt really small with all this stuff inside. But as you guys can see, it is dirty, so now we need to clean it. So as I was cleaning, Connor came in with something in his hand, and this is what it was. I was so shocked to see this little bunny in his hands. He saved it from getting hit. So what ended up happening was we're trying to find like where is the bunny's nest, and you guys, we found the bunny's nest, and all these little baby bunnies were there, and it was just the cutest thing. So we brought this bunny back to its nest so that its mama could find him, and he was safe and didn't get hurt. And no, by touching the bunny, that will not make the mom abandon the baby. It's always better if an animal is going to get hit or something to bring it back to its nest. That's like the best thing that you can do for it. So I'm very happy we got to save that bunny, and it was just a very happy, cute moment to see how sweet this little baby bunny was. And now I kind of want to get a bunny, but I don't think we're going to. So what I'm doing is just continuing to clean up all of this sawdust and all the cobwebs and all that kind of stuff. So once everything was all vacuumed, it actually took a pretty long time, but it's okay because we are going to refinish these floors. So I'm just taking my sander and sanding these down. It's really crazy how different the floor looks and just how much dirt and grime and everything just comes up once you sand it, and how beautiful they are underneath. I had originally thought about painting the floors either like white or a really pretty like creamy, maybe like a seafoamy green color, but I decided to just sand them down and refinish them and just see what it looks like because they are so beautiful. So I didn't want to waste the floors, and actually doing this was awesome because I always wondered if it would be hard to refinish floors, and this showed me that it's really not. So I think the next house we get, if we do need to redo the floors, I would love to just do them ourselves and just save all of that money. So here you can really see how different the floor looks from where it's sanded and where it's not sanded. I honestly couldn't believe how drastic it was because I didn't think it would have that crazy of an effect, but it really did. So I was kind of mind blown by this, and it was just really cool to see this. Again, this is something I've never done before, and I just feel like it's so simple, but I just always thought for some reason it would be a little bit harder than it was, but it was really simple and easy to do. So I'm glad that I just tried something new and really enjoyed it. So now what we need to do is make sure that the floors are completely dust free. So I actually vacuumed it, and then I left it overnight because there was still a lot of dust in the air, and I just wanted it to settle. And then I re-vacuumed it in the morning, and this is what it looked like. So now I'm just taking some polyurethane for the floors, and I am just applying that to the floors. It's super simple. Again, just very, very easy to do. It doesn't require a lot of work. I just put on a podcast and sat down and enjoyed. It was pretty relaxing to do, and again, just seeing how drastic the before and after of this is so crazy. Who would have thought that underneath all that sawdust were these beautiful floors? So like I mentioned before, I did just use polyurethane on this, and I decided to not stain it a color or anything because I think just a clear coat is just so beautiful and so simple, and I love how it just brings out the natural color of the wood. So that's what the first coat looks like. I think it looks stunning and so beautiful. So in between coats, you should always do a light sand. This is a 220 grit, so I just lightly sanded over the hardwood, and then once I did that, I cleaned it up and applied a second coat. So I wasn't sure if applying a second coat was really necessary, but you guys can see here just how rich and beautiful the second coat looks, so I'm really glad that I went ahead and did that. So here you can see it with one coat, and then here it is with two coats. And again, it's just so beautiful and rich, the coloring. I'm so happy with how it came out. I think my favorite part about these hardwood floors is that they're not perfect. I love that you can see the knots in them and some of like the scrape lines in the hardwood. I just think it's really natural and beautiful, and I like when things just don't always have to look so perfect. So I'm really happy with how the floors came out. Again, let me know what you guys think I should do with the whole room, if I should turn it into like the Seven Dwarves cottage type of a thing, or if I should just turn it into more of like a, I don't even know, a more modern kind of space. What do you think, Cons?
The options?
Should I turn the girl shed into like the Snow White, like a Seven Dwarves house, or like even any fairy tale, any Disney movie, or should I just turn it into like more of like a happy, inspiring, light, airy type of a place for the girls?
Like 3 going on 30? No, yeah, just like a Disney thing.
I just have all this stuff already for the cottage. I don't know what to do. But like I said, let me know what you guys think, and I'm gonna try to plan around it.
Okay.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog video, and again, comment your ideas down below. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.